Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E6i and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. For example, in the messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. Right here we have to tap on the settings icon, which should be on this panel at the top. Now let's tap on the languages. And here we've got the list of currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add Keyboard. And here we will be transferred to the full list of available keyboards, basically languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, this list is so wide and for sure you will find the language. Of course, you don't have to swipe just like I'm doing right now. You can tap on the search icon and enter the name of the language. And after finding it, simply tap on it. Sometimes you will be able to pick the region, so just tap. And here we've got the keyboard types. So basically it depends on the language, but sometimes you will have, for example, only one keyboard type or even up to 5 different keyboard types from which you can choose and use. So let me pick this order one, as thanks to this you will be able to see the difference between the keyboards. So let me mark it and untick this option. So it simply means that we will apply only one type. So let's tap on done. The order has been applied to the keyboard, so now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And basically we've got two differences. The first one is the language key, so the globe icon, thanks to which you can change the language, and the spacebar. Right now it has the name of the language you're currently using. So right now we've got English, and after tapping on the globe icon we can easily switch to the order one. Let me tap on it again and again English. So this is how to add the language to the keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't really need like 2 or 3 different languages added, you just want to have one. So we have to enter the settings again, then let's tap on the languages, and here in this step simply tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, and now we can mark the language you want to remove. So let me mark the order I want to leave English applied, and tap on the trash bin icon in the right upper corner. We've got only English left, or any other language, of course, of your choice. And after getting back, you will see that we do not have the language key, so the globe icon and the spacebar is empty, and it simply means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.